Hello Project Robloxians. Today I'm playing Adopt Me, which is a popular game, and today is Pride Month. So, as you can see, I'm a little cat. I'm just a cat, and I have a cat too. His name is Russian. He's Bexwell, so he's allowed to do anything. So, I'm going to teleport to the hat shop. Cause I heard there was a new update coming, and it's already here, so I'm going to come here. Okay, it's gonna take a long time, but okay. But don't worry, I will post another Piggy video and Bubblegum Simulator big video soon. And here's the new update. Well, kinda different. Haven't seen this in a long time. And you're still here, Bonnie. Nice to meet you. I already have that. And Vinny. Yes, I love it. So, in order to able to enter the giveaway, the Bubblegum Simulator giveaway, you make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notifications, put your username, put your pet name for one of the lightning demons. And make sure you say hello on your comment to make sure you get more percent chance. You get a more chance to win to be in the giveaway. Now on to the video. What I was saying. So I got a free gay pride pin. It's Pride Month, so I wouldn't judge. Okay. For all of the gays, Bexwells, any kind of transgender, any kind of, except for straights, have a good day, be alive, be whatever you want, be yourself. That's what I'm going to say. Somebody has a crack thing. That's weird. Now I'm going to go back to my house. I gotta unclip. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my house. So I'm gonna do a house tour. I just posted a video 15 minutes ago, so go watch that video before this video. I mean, you're already watching this, so just watch this before you watch the other one. So you see another click button over there, So this is the hangout area room. There's still nothing here yet, but I'm not gonna show you around over there. So here is the free pet food and pet water. Anybody can feed their pet and let their pet drink. And there's a penguin lamp. In case if it's too dark, I'm just gonna turn it on. And there's a donut seat so the pet can wait. And I am the owner here. I literally have an owner, which is my friend or sister, Angel. Not really, it's my sister. Okay. So there's a disco room up here. I won't show you that. But here's the disco room. Disco room, yes. And what I didn't want to show you is this one. It's a stripper pole, not really, but it's just for like show. If my second account was here, I would be like this. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey! Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey! Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. And yeah, I wanted to edit down like the secret room, so you will see me. And if anybody wants to be friends with me, just send me a friend request. My name is XX Gamer Plays. XX. Full name is in link on the description below. It's pretty dark here. I should put some light here. Pretty hilarious. Or this is going to be the training stripper room for probably anything. And if anybody wants to be friends, I know I said that a few minutes ago. If you want to just be friends with me and you just want to join me when I'm playing a game, link is in the description below. And I'm gonna get a stage. I have no money. Oh, lucky. Somebody come get her. So this is just the beginning of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a few more chairs. Chair. Let's go to the living room, and then go sitting, and then here the cheap sofa. Bro, it's not cheap. Bruh, they scam sometimes. I'm just gonna add a little seat. Let's see what it's gonna be facing on. Okay, it's facing on the right direction. So this is just the beginning of the secret, the hangout. That's not a hangout area. I can't reach it. Hold up. Wait. Okay, thanks. Whenever anybody once sees this, they just be like, I know they would be confused. Like, yeah. That's just the beginning of that's just the beginning decoration. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm sorry if it's very short because my storage will blow up. So good morning, good afternoon, good night, adios, ciao. There's no outro yet. So yeah, you gotta wait for the outro. Bye! See you later, Project Robloxians. See you next video.